Hi everyone, wanted to share another 2-second lean idea from Breakout, which focuses on eliminating motion at the scanner. You're watching Sierra here fix a problem at the saw. She walks to the shadow board to get the tool she needs, fixes the problem, then brings the tool back to the shadow board. This bugged Nina, and it inspired her to move the shadow board closer to the saw. It is now attached to the side of the stairs, so all operators will have what they need when they need it, all in arm's reach. Thank you, Nina. Great idea.